our plan has always been to centralize more and more of the IT data as much as humanly possible. Because if the data's next to each other here in Dremio, we can combine it. And that's one of the biggest features we see for it. We see that our data engineers now have the ability to basically, our product has changed from a report potentially to more of a data set. And so we can run a data set as a product using the Iceberg feature, right? I see Icebergs listed there, but Arctic has recently been enabled in Azure, and it works awesomely. It means we can essentially version our data sets, and we can literally run that as a product. We have robust access controls. We're looking at how we implement this in a seamless way where we can replicate the access end users would have had in the source systems, for instance, in ServiceNow, because we want to give people the ability to be able to query ServiceNow data quite easily. But there's some sets that they're not supposed to see. Well, if we can pull their permissions from ServiceNow, Dremio has quite impressive row level security features that will be able to roll out, basically looking up what permissions the user should have and then implementing that. And the final bit, as I said, we serve divisions, is at the point where we start cross-charging, or at least charging for our own service that we provide to them, we can essentially map how much they cost to run by routing them to particular engines. This is a feature inside of Dremio where you can essentially see what group or who is querying something, and they redirect them to certain compute. This means a few things, which we're totally leveraging, is that we can ensure that there's quality of service, right? We're not stepping on each other's toes, but also we get to allocate that cost. Now we now know precisely how much it costs to host that person inside of Dremio. So if they were to do large queries, we would know. Um, and that is essentially it, everyone. Uh, our cloud journey is ongoing. We're very excited for what's next in terms of what I've just shown. Uh, I'm hoping to have a follow-up where I can like tell everyone about the awesome things we're going to do in Arctic and all the how we got around all our access limitations. But Dremio has definitely been key to us saving a large amount of money while increasing what we can actually output from my team. I tell my people we're a team of a certain size and we should build to be able to serve uh, a product using the team of this certain size, right? And this has enabled us to do so.